Technically, I can just film this one down here. Yeah, those ones are loud.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe
It's not
thunderstorm
food,
warning
dog.
for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southern Dekalb County in north central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cortland to near Inkley to Waterman to near
This is
Shibona,
gonna be two,
moving
isn't
east
it?
at
Actually, I'm gonna go
35
switch over this
miles
one.
per hour.
Hey, dog.
Per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oswego, Montgomery, North Aurora, Boulder Hill, Big Rock, Kendall, Aurora, Batavia, Shibona, Hinkley, Bristol, Sugar Grove, Waterman, Little Rock, Geneva, Elburn, and Yorkville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Gonna do two of them. Yep. What?
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6:30 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southwest of McHenry to Elgin to 9 nautical miles northwest of Aurora, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Belmont Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunder...